Searching in the car park. We are in the car park now with for the Arboretum.
We're here at the Arboretum entrance. Just so you know, for adults it's £6.50. Here we are in the beautiful countryside. The sheep have just been running towards the gate. Stampede. Just a quick view here across St James's Pond. One of the geese making a noise on top of the ridge there. Bit of tranquility here. Wonderful orange and pink azaleas, and there's a red one there too, just situated in the between these wonderful trees here. Bit of colour for you. Just come to say hello. Look. Hello. Just showing you some of the chickens here. Outside their coop, underneath the apple trees. A couple of chickens hiding in the sand. It's just a view looking back towards the visitors centre there over the pond. The stunning bluebells are just going over now, past their best. What about that for a view through the woods? Glorious bluebells here at the Arboretum, right up on the hillside. Just come down to the gazebo, which is sat on top of the hill here. Place to rest from walking around the hillside. We just headed along the Queen's Walk, which was for the Queen's Diamond Jubilee in 2012, and now we're in 2022 for the Queen's Platinum Jubilee. We're in like tiny little circles, absolutely stunning. And we put it in contrast with this beautiful Acer. So that's it for today from us, S&B Diaries, here at the Bodenham Arboretum here in Staffordshire. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.